Hello beautiful people, yes I'm talking to you right there. This is me Bhumika and today I'll be sharing with you tips on how to stay motivated while studying at home because it's important to study, it's important to stay motivated and it's important to stay at home right now. So I hope you're all doing fine and let's get into the video because I don't want to waste your time guys. So if you don't want to waste your time, better watch this video so you stop procrastinating and getting back to studying, okay? So if you're still here, let's get into the video. First tip, as I always mention, is to make a schedule. Make a schedule which is realistic, okay? But it is also consistent. Now, being consistent doesn't mean that you have to study daily. Who studies daily? In quarantine, in the beginning of the session? No. So if you can't study daily, if you don't want to study daily, that's fine. But make a schedule like studying every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, that'd be fine for you as well. So if you want to make a schedule about Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do that. You don't need to study daily, that's fine. The second tip is to get ready for the war. That means you need to finish all the chores, all the bartan dhona, all the jharu pocha karna before studying, okay? Before getting to studying, you need to actually finish those tasks and tell your family members that you are going to study so they might not disturb you. Because I have seen that whenever I sit down to study and someone gives me some work and I can't do it, then it gets kind of messy. Yeah. So the third tip is for those who are studying from any laptop, mobile phones because we don't have books right now. So if you're studying from any mobile, laptop, whatever computer, for that you need to take notes first of all, okay? So start by taking notes before studying directly from your laptop. If you're studying the whole chapter from laptop, it's not going to help that much. So if you start by taking notes of at least like 2 to 2 pages daily and then you study from the notes, that will help you a lot because retaining information from a notebook is much more easier than retaining information from a laptop. The fourth tip is to not pressurize yourself. Don't put so much pressure on yourself that you stop learning altogether. If you're not completing a certain goal for a day, don't make yourself feel guilty for that, okay? It's fine. There's a lot of things going on in the world right now. There's a lot of things going in your life right now. Putting yourself under more pressure can get so overwhelming and you might feel bad about yourself. So stop doing that. Take care of yourself, okay? The fifth tip is to set the mood of studying. Sometimes we just don't want to study or when we are studying we get distracted. To solve this problem, what I actually do is I listen to sound of gentle rain while studying. I use this Spotify playlist. I'll link it in the description as well. So if you want to check it out, you can do it. So I listen to this Spotify playlist of gentle rain and I love while studying with rain sounds on because it's so calm, it's so serene and you can actually focus on your studying. I mostly use it while doing worksheets or any kind of homework, but when I'm actually memorizing something, I don't use it. I love studying with the sound of rain. The next tip is to learn something other than academic stuff, okay? So you don't need to sit there and study only the things which are given in the syllabus. Learn something else. There are so many things to learn. And yeah, I'll be making a video about all the skills you can learn during this summer so that you can actually use the time wisely. There are so many different things which you can study other from your syllabus. For example, if you want to learn how to speak better on camera, if you want to learn how to speak better in public, do that. Because it's going to help you in your ASL, in your debates, all that stuff. If you want to learn how to edit videos, do that. Like I'm doing all of these things right now and it's so much fun because you're not spending all your time studying the things from a textbook. You're studying something else, you're learning something else and there are so many free lessons right now. So there's no excuses, like literally you can't make excuses. What you have to do is find something which you are passionate about, find something which you want to do and learn that. So yeah, that is also a studying tip which you can try in quarantine. I don't know if you guys will even watch it till here, but yeah, if you guys are still here, comment below your favorite color so that I can know that you guys are still here watching me. It'd be emotional as heck, guys. If you're still here, subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you like it, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Please be present, okay? I'm taking attendance.